we've been in and out of love for some time now, and I think it's time we let it go. I can't keep hurting you, and you can't keep hurting me, so I think it's best we go our separate ways. This goodbye's forever. Yeah. This is my final love letter.
You say you're missing me, but I can't let that get to me. We've got to clear the history, 'cause I'm done. You say you need me, but I need me too. This isn't love, it's toxic, so I'm gonna have to choose. Never thought it'd be this way, and it's killing me to say, yeah. But we've reached the end of the road. No, 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 no. Yeah.
Nothing was sent here to last forever. That's just how it goes.
That's just how it goes.
I knew that it was time to leave when I started second guessing me. See, because the real problem was you. I really believed you were no ordinary dude. Don't play the victim, 'cause in the end you'll lose. I wish nothing but the best for you, even if it's with somebody else. Choosing me really saved my health.